Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Sign into the exact Google account that holds the backups. Once done, open Google Photos on your phone or go to Photos. Google. Com on a computer. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Next, pause backup and sync in settings so deleted items do not reupload. This prevents a loop. If you're on mobile, tap your profile photo, then backup and sync and toggle off. Doing these steps first saves time and avoids accidental rebackup while you delete. Now locate the backed up items. Use albums, device folders, or search by date or content to narrow results. Then select Photos, long press on mobile or click the checkmark on desktop to pick many files quickly. Once selection is complete, tap Delete and choose Move to Bin. Confirm when prompted. This removes images from your Google Photos library and cloud storage. Make sure to check device folders if you want to remove phone backups too, and proceed in small batches if you have thousands of files. Finish by emptying the bin or trash to free storage immediately. Note Google Auto deletes after 60 days if you wait. Once the bin is cleared, re-enable backup and sync only after you verify deletions have propagated to other devices. This prevents reuploading deleted files. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, clearing the app cache, or using the web interface to force sync. These steps fix most issues when deleted photos still appear on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.